How's it going, fellas? My name is Quiz So, welcome back to the futures analysis for Friday, June 4th, 2021. So, we're looking at the ES futures here, the good old S&P 500 mini futures. You can see that we kind of followed what we were hoping we were going to see, which was this sort of curling down pattern, but we never really bottomed out. We just ended up going down exponentially until we hit this hard bottom at support. We bounced up and we are forming a bit of a sort of a triangle here. So we'll kind of watch to see what happens tomorrow. This should break pretty early into the AM, probably 5 or 6 a.m. Central Time. So what is that? Like 7 or so Eastern Standard Time. And we should see some action heading into open. I'm expecting a pretty green day, probably up to about 4202 or so. But if we break up here, I'm expecting something that looks a little bit like this, ideally. So let's go ahead and take a look at the good old NASDAQ Rooney. Oh Lord! So I told you guys that we needed to stay out of this range, or we need to stay, within this range or above higher for us to go up. We broke down in the AM, and my God, did we tank! So we went basically straight down. We hit some pretty hard support right here, but it's just looking grim. I don't even want to do an analysis on this. So just based on the general wave of what we're seeing, you can see that we had a short double bottom here. So we are watching this zone right here for a decent chance at a reversal up to probably, I don't know. It's hard to say because it's chopping, flip-flopping everywhere. But we hit this double bottom, so we're looking to kind of come out above and back up. However, I don't want to even try to predict this. So, if you just look at the sort of the wave pattern that we're forming, right? We went super down, super up, and then we hit a solid support twice. So we've hit a double bottom. I can just freaking use my tool. So we hit a solid double bottom here. We come up, and then we hit another bottom. So we have a triple bottom, and now it looks like we're heading up. So depending on where we go after this, you can see that we've already lost momentum with this big green candle. We're 13 minutes into the AM, into the 3 a.m. hour. We don't have a whole lot of volume, so if we continue this upwards volume, we can possibly see higher, but it's just looking really unstable right now, so I'd stay away from tech tomorrow. It's a little bit scary for me. What else do we have? The YM futures. Yes, I almost forgot. Just kidding, I can never forget. So yeah, this is a little bit ambitious, I'm not going to lie. I don't know why the hell I do this, but this is basically what we were hoping for, but we actually ended up getting the opposite. So we got this huge, exponential downtrend, or this exponential just straight down, followed by a massive green candle, and we are consolidating into a bit of a triangle. Let's go ahead and, it's really hard to just draw these triangles because there's not really a triangle there, but it is there. And for the other part of the triangle, Jesus, I don't even know what the hell to do here. I guess just like this, but there is a triangle forming, so just be watching for us to sort of snap out of this triangle. There's a support right here, resistance right now, / support. It's kind of right on the line. So we'll see where this goes, but my best bet is it's probably going to be up. Coming off of this, I can show you guys the bull flag pattern again, but typically bull flags work best whenever you go from an uptrend, and then you'll sort of consolidate into the flag, and then we can draw the flag here, right? So you'll have the flag like this, and then after, what in the hell? So after the flag, you'll usually break up and then out, and then this is just the smaller part of a larger uptrend movement, which is just, ups and downs like this. But the bull flag is part of that that short-term downtrend thing. So this could be a start of a new trend here if we continue up. So be watching this break. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm hoping up. We got down last time, so let's hope for up to close the week. That's going to be about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know in the Discord, at me, at QuitsDrop. I should be the only QuitsDrop in the server, so it shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, have a nice night, morning, evening, whatever it is. And yeah, goodbye.